In this video, I want to talk about one of the most sought after wild greens in the forest, ramps. These leaves are a spring ephemeral and are available from April to mid-May. Now these plants have a tendency to be slightly over-harvested, so I like to harvest one leaf from each plant, leaving most of them alone, and maybe I'll harvest one or two bulbs, but if I harvest a bulb, I'll break it off at the crown so the roots are still intact. Ramps have two primary ways of reproduction, bulb division and seeds. So we can use these two to our advantage by transplanting ramps from a healthy population to another area where they could thrive that also has rich soils. I think the goal of foraging is to not just be sustainable, but to steward and expand current populations so that they are healthier and stronger than where we left them.
Now it's time to cook a stir fry with a few ramps I harvested. First I gotta cut the sausage and get the water boiling for noodles. I only harvested 3 or 4 ramp bulbs this season, and I'm gonna go back in the summer and plant several seeds to replace the bulbs I took out. I'm trying to recreate a Mongolian barbecue dish that I really enjoyed as a kid. This dish isn't Mongolian or barbecue. I add some dandelion flowers in the mix for more nutrition and color. Once the noodles are mixed in, I add teriyaki sauce. Finally, I add some violets to top off the meal.
So it started raining after I finished cooking, so I'm under a tarp now. But this stir fry is delicious. It has tons of ramps, violets, dandelions. It's tasty.